Well, it's here. Thrive Life Black Friday sale starts today. Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Tiny House Prepper. I just wanted to remind you that the Black Friday sale with Thrive Life starts today. Great prices, up to 50% off on many items. If you are new to the channel, I know we have a lot of new people and you don't know what Thrive Life is. It's freeze-dried food and it's great for long-term storage, and it's also great for daily use in your kitchen. Elizabeth and I use it in probably 60% of our daily cooking. We have some playlists of our cooking with Thrive, so you can see what they are, what it is. I'll put a link at the end of this video and also down below for the playlist of Cooking with Thrive if you're interested. So go ahead and look at the link below for what's called the picker page. It's because it has all the products on one page and you can pick the ones you want. It's got the retail prices and the sale prices, so you can see how much you're going to be saving. And you can place a one-time order, but you will pay shipping. Or you can join the delivery service and you'll get free shipping on any order over $100. It's a great way to go, great way to save some money on the shipping as well. So check it out. It starts today and it goes through midnight on Black Friday, the 29th. It starts today at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. So if you go there before then, you won't see the sale prices. But go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the description below. Have fun shopping. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Live simple, live free. Be blessed.
Food is amazing. Think about it. Traditions, memories, so much happiness. But food can also bring a lot of stress. Thrive Life wants to take away the stress by delivering simple, clean food right to your door. How would that help, you ask? Well, we've done some research. Approximately 1 in 42 trillion people actually like to wash, peel, and chop fruits and veggies. And approximately 1 in 56 bajillion people enjoy throwing out rotten produce.
Ew.
Our research found that a lot of the stress comes from planning meals. Although 43% of the population claims to pre-plan their meals, we found that less than 1% actually do. So, we had an idea. Let's help people not stress out about food. Enter Thrive Life. Ingredients that are pre-washed, pre-cut, and freeze-dried to lock in all those nutrients and delicious flavors, and they won't spoil in days or even weeks after buying them. Ingredients that aren't loaded with additives, preservatives, or GMOs. And for those nights that you just don't have anything planned, or frankly don't like the plans you did have, there's Simple Plate. It's a meal kit that's better than any meal kit you've experienced. According to our research, it's planned, prepped, and pre-portioned deliciousness. And it doesn't have to be made tonight, it's ready when you are. How do we do all that? It's basically magic! We start with the best produce picked at the peak of perfection. Then we freeze-dry it in the most state-of-the-art facility
In the galaxy.
We lock in the taste and nutrients so our produce is as fresh as the farmer's market, which makes it perfect for snacking, by the way. Want to try it out? Simply set up a delivery service account and start shopping. You'll become a preferred customer for free. You get all kinds of perks like free shipping. So why would you want simple, clean food delivered to your door? I think the research says it all. Enjoy simple, clean food that's ready when you are. And make sure the only thing getting spoiled here is you. Try Thrive Life tonight.